We are here today at Lucky Strike Bowling Alley in downtown LA to take some of our interns bowling. The whole purpose of this is to get them to engage with each other, talk about different project experiences, and just kind of relate off the job site, you know. We've also got a couple of mentors here for them to kind of talk with and learn from. And so, yeah, looking forward to it.
People from operation, from accounting, from estimating, mentors and mentees, we're here to have a wonderful and fun bowling event. Bernard's is a great company to work for. You're going to learn a lot. Even it's just a short period of time, just for like 10 weeks, you'll have great interactions from experienced people.
So one of the great things about interning in California is it's very fun. Like there's like so many beaches, there's museums, there's just different like sites you can visit. And like coming from where I'm from in Indiana, like it's just more exposure to different type of people and you just grow from it.
A lot of these people are now, I could call my friends, and I enjoy every day I work with them, and I have really got close bonds with them now.
Team building exercises like this are great because it gathers all the interns together. They get to talk to each other, they get to learn about what other projects there are, you know. We're doing multifamily, but somebody else is working on a hospital, somebody else is working on a completely different type of job, and it kind of opens their eyes where they're able to see that it's not just one thing and that there's a lot to learn and there's a lot in this industry for anybody. Whether they're going to work for Bernard's or they're going to go to another company, that's what you hope these guys get from their internship, the experience that when they start, they're already ready to hit the ground running, and really as a mentor, that's what you can hope that they get.